Introducing the heat-resistant glass teapot, a perfect blend of functionality and elegance for your tea or coffee experience. This one-click filtering teapot features a convenient tea-water separation system that ensures a smooth and seamless brewing. The heat-resistant glass teapot is a thoughtfully designed kitchen essential that combines style, convenience, and functionality. Made from high-quality heat-resistant glass, this teapot ensures safe and efficient brewing, withstanding high temperature. One-click filtering system. The innovative one-click filtering mechanism allows for an effortless and mess-free brewing experience. Simply press a button, and the built-in filter separates the tea or coffee grounds from the liquid, ensuring a smooth, durable and elegant design. The transparent glass allows you to appreciate the color and richness of your brew, making it as beautiful to look at as it is practical. The sleek, minimalist design fits perfectly into any modern kitchen or dining setting. It's designed to withstand high temperatures while showcasing the beauty of your tea leaves or coffee grounds. Whether you're brewing your favorite tea or preparing a rich coffee, this versatile tea maker is a must-have addition to your home tea war.